Hi, I'm Zach. I go on attack. When I fall asleep, I close my eyelids. Kinda like Plush King Vin. Check out his channel. Here's me, Skittles.
Oh, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing Roblox. Don't press that button.
I'm gonna press it anyway.
Why am I still even on this?
You know I'm skipping this.
Alright, there we go. Oh, so here's my address. My Roblox avatar. Friend me if you want. I don't really care. Fudge the interview anyway. So yeah, today we're gonna be press the button. Crap! It's don't press the button. I'm stupid. We're gonna be clicking play. All right. Yeah. Bye. All right. I guess we have PVZ music playing. Dang it, I suck at games! Oh shoot, we're on the zombies team! Alright, now we got some random goofy ass stranger with a SpongeBob outfit. And noob's flying! He's flying down to my death! Okay, Alright, I legit suck at this game. We're gonna have to skip it, boys. Okay, this is where a sus part happens.
I love you.
Sus! I made her a zombie anyways.
Yeah.
Yeah, I win. Ah! Okay,
That
we're
was
back.
sus, kind of.
Final lever! I had sweaty hands during the process of this. So, like, yeah, it kind of doesn't really work when I do parkour. You'll understand, like, when you see it.
No, I made parkour.
What you mean you're a parkour pro?
No.
You get pooped on. You're a loser.
Okay, I just have to.
I suck, bro. I legit suck. Hey, yo, what I be doing to the... what the fudge? That was kind of sus. Okay, we be doing this. We be doing... No! I suck.
Dude.
I just suck. I
Hey,
suck. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. Screw
There's
it.
seriously something wrong with my
Bro.
bro.
Don't you dare press that button! Guys, one of my sus friends joined. I'll zoom in on his character in a little bit. Oof! Oh, just plain oof! Type hi back to him. But why the fuck is he saying cheeseburgers? All flying noobs! Stop with the cheeseburgers. I'll be so good as the flash. Tonight, the cake is a lie. Called it! But bye guys, see you in the next video.